Hello again, it's Noob, and this is just a video to say thank you to a load of people for sending me some locks through the post and some other little bits and bobs that I received recently. I thought I'd start with this absolute monstrosity. This is a apparently very rare Master Lock 19, and this was extremely kindly sent to me by Leon's Lockpad. Please go check out his channel. Leon's a great guy. After he watched my video on my previously biggest laminated Master Lock, the Master Lock 15, and you can see that the 19 is, well, it's huge in comparison, just ginormous. Just for scale, let me put these down, and there you go. Let me get out a little Master Lock 3 and just show you the size difference between these locks. And also I've got the various keys here as well, so you can see that the Master Lock 3 has this little 4-pin key, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The Master Lock, got to get the number right now, 15 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, and look at the key for the 19. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've never seen a laminated Master Lock with 6 pins before. That's so cool, and it is not an easy pick. I've had a quick go on this and I didn't get it open. This is actually a real beast. They don't make this anymore. It makes me wonder why. It's actually really cool. I love it. So thank you to Leon's Lockpad for sending me that. He also sent me a really cool little Abus EC7540, and these are tricky little picks, these ones. Fantastic little dimple padlocks, and definitely no pushover at all in terms of the picking stakes. Talking of Abus extras, completely randomly and yeah, Phill Dixon, very kind of Phil, sent me this Abus EC7530. So the ever so slightly smaller version of the Abus dimple padlock. Let's get that from the one from Leon. There you can see the difference, but still the same size key, I believe. So look. So just because it's a smaller lock body does not make it an easier pick by any means. So I mean, that was just a completely random fortune that I managed to get 2 different sizes of these Abuses to provide 2 separate challenges, which is really awesome. But Phill Dixon also sent me this Spanish padlock, which reminds me a little bit of the Abus. Is it the Abus 7540 aluminium padlock? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but it reminds me of that. I don't know if it's repinnable. I think because of this little bit here makes me think that it's not, so you probably have to drill that out to drop the core, but I could be wrong. Certainly worth exploring in an upcoming video. So Leon and Phil, thank you so much for sending me those locks. I absolutely love them. Now this is a real thing of beauty. Just check this out. You can probably see there Lockwood Australia, and I think the paint is aftermarket, let's put it that way. I could be wrong, but it's absolutely beautiful. Now, you know, I've got a soft spot for vintage locks, but this has a wonderful deco style to the body, and I just really like it. The bitting is superb as well. The keys just look fantastic. Really is just a lovely old Lockwood, and I bet it is a real pig to pick. Now, I actually don't know who sent this to me, and no, it's not because I just got something random through the post. This is actually part of a Secret Santa present from a Secret Santa that was arranged via the UK Locksport forum, and yeah, this is just one of the things that was sent to me, and isn't it just gorgeous? I had to show it off. And last but not least, some of you may know Albert LaBelle from YouTube. His channel's been going for a while now, actually, and he's got a growing following, so please do go support Albert. And I saw on Twitter that he'd posted some of these stickers, and I have a little flight case where I keep all my pick sets in, and I put all the kind of like lock picking stickers all over it. I said, hey, I'd love one of these stickers. And so he sent me a sticker along with, completely by surprise, a whole other load of merch. So I got a whole bunch of his excellent stickers, got some of his calling cards for his Locksport. So there's all his details. Go check out all his channels. And then check this out. Not only some pack lock stickers, but 2 pack locks, and they're not just any old pack lock. And I'm a fan of pack lock. Active in the Locksport community as well. You've got to respect that from a lock company. This is a personalised Albert LaBelle pack lock, and that is absolutely superb. But he didn't just send one; he actually sent 2, so I can send one to a friend, and that is just so incredibly generous. And I didn't expect that at all. He just sent 2 and said, you know, pass it on to someone else in the community. And I'm like, I know the person; they will remain nameless to avoid jealousy. And yeah, I mean, I just think that's really, really awesome. So generous. And yeah, all I was expecting was a sticker, and I'd have been so happy with just a sticker. But to get an awesome padlock as well as some stickers, wow, that's just amazing, isn't it? So there you go. I mean, that is a massive thank you to Leon's Lock Pad. Please go check out his channel. Phill Dixon, thank you so much for those locks. Albert LaBelle, just amazing. And of course, my mystery Santa for the Secret Santa lock. That was really beautiful. All right, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy these locks, and I hope when I do pick them and get them on my channel, you'll enjoy them even more then. I'll see you all next time.